So you perhaps now seeing pretty much, everywhere you turn on the social media, you turn the TV on, they're all basically talking about the tariff, right? Taking into effect, first week of February. A big deal, huge tariff on, on Mexico, Canada, and China. Now, what is tariff? Basically, it's a tax imposed, on the import, goods or services to the country. As a real estate investor, and how that would basically, will take into effect. Things that really I'm working, one is that chaos at the beginning, because now the price is really gonna go all over the place. Again, because those construction material, those things that we use in, let's say when we flip houses, or other investors that we sell the deals to, well, they obviously have to go and buy those materials, so we have to to adjust to that too. Second, what we're doing is that adjusting our price to be prepared for it, because let's say, for example, we signed the contract today. So even if the prices has not been really adjusted yet, but it will in a month. So they have to account for the pricing in a month, which is very difficult, again, because you don't know what would be the pricing. And that's kind of like the point. It's just gonna be more cost to to do those construction. And so now, as far as if someone already had a project from, let's say, last month or last 2 months, and they're still working on it, and now they're gonna continue, wanted to purchase the materials and construction materials, well, on maybe by the time they finish that, they're gonna go above the budget, right? And they might lose money, or they might break even, or they might get profit, but they're able to profit not as they expected, because the expenses now went up as was estimated to. But that's kind of what it is. That's the inflation, that's the thing, are getting more expensive. But again, it is what it is. Things that we have to work on, we have to overcome, just like any challenges we face. So hey, although the house, yes, we inspected the house, yes, we checked everything on the house, and we did our estimate to to repair all of it. Well, yes, but I did not account for the kind of like a future tariff or future pricing that's gonna go higher. So, well, what I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna have to renegotiate again, right? Reasonably, right? So again, to make sure that I'm not losing on the deal. And if I'm gonna assign it to, I'm gonna make sure, like, to have everyone protected as well, have the investors protected if I'm gonna assign it to them, so we continue do more deals. We will see. Obviously this is new. Maybe a month or two, I don't know, maybe they fix it, maybe they don't, maybe they escalate it. And that's kind of, it makes the market unstable on those, especially like a lot of those small investors. Now what they're basically be doing is that they'll be like, well, you know what, I'm just gonna let me wait and watch, and let's get until things get to normal. We will see how it's gonna work out, and we'll update. So we'll do maybe another video, maybe a month or so we can kind of like tell you kind of like what's really the update, or what's basically happening. So until then, hope you guys doing well. Until next time, thank you so much, take care. And again, if you have any question, or if you have a deal you want us to take a look and make you an offer on, feel free to send me a message or give us a call, and the information you see in the description box below. Thank you so much, take care, bye bye.